What's good, YouTube? Yeah, man, it's your boy K. I've been trying to drop this video for a while now. I can't say I haven't had time, but my son got sick and stuff. They said I had the flu. I had no flu-like symptoms, but anyway. But yeah, man. Title of the video is how I broke my box. Obviously, you know, things wear and tear. First off, man, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please comment. I read all the comments. I love how much support I've been getting on the last few videos. I'm gonna keep trying to drop one. Probably every week. I got a new situation going on. Well, it's not really a situation, but it's a pivot. I had to do something in order to make things a little simpler, or I had to make a sacrifice in order to be more of a part of my kid's life. I'm still box trucking and stuff like that. Obviously, that industry itself, that small segment, has had some turmoil. That and the hot shot is just not as good as it was. I mean, it's self-sustaining, but it's getting to the point where it's just like the brokers are literally taking it all. So I had to make a pivot. I'm still gonna be doing it. You're still gonna get content from that, but y'all also gonna see what I am doing now also. So anyway, man, I hope everybody that has a box truck or is in the trucking industry is doing good. I really hate that it's down. Deciding the fact that I seen some videos where some people are bashing people that do the courses and stuff like that. I totally understand where you're coming from, cause like I seen a comment that said those are the people that making courses are the ones that business fail. So yeah. It's a lot of those out there, man. So do your research, man. It's got its ups and downs, just like anything, just like a job, just like any other business, man. So just stay prayed up, man. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It's gonna be a little bit of unloading in this video. Also, it's gonna be a little bit of driving and stuff like that too. So anyway, man, how I broke my box. So first off, it's not a brand new truck or anything like that. So it has wear and tear. Also, when you put drivers in a truck, they don't care about it as much as you do, obviously. Not my driver per se, but the person that had a previously driver. So when they back into the door, when you hit that dot plate, you can't be going full speed and making contact with the back of that box like that. Some people don't understand that. Most people don't have any experience with that. So yeah. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Yeah, man, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Different day, different time. As you can see, I'm in a day cab right now. We gonna figure out about that in just the next couple videos. But anyway, so when a driver, like I said, it wasn't my driver, but when a driver doesn't care about your equipment, and they back into those dot doors fast, it creates stress on the box, like that bottom plate, and it keeps pushing and pushing until it cracks somewhere. So I've already had I'm gonna implement the picture right here. I've already had to do the weld the bottom. Well, my uncle had to weld the bottom where it was coming apart by the lift gate. Well, on top of the lift gate where the box connects at the bottom. Had to weld both sides of that. And then this time, as you can see, it broke the top part. It cracked the top part of the box. So, and then with that comes the roller. So what happened was the roller came down because it expanded, so it popped out of the little sleeve that it was in. So then at that point, I couldn't even open my door. And y'all know how heavy those doors are without that support on there. So so the door got jammed, and then that top piece, when it comes all the way down, if it's not held by the two side supports, now I have to use like a broomstick or something to push it back because it's not a roller on the other side. So yeah, so that day I wasn't able to get my load because the roller fell out of the door, so I couldn't even lift the door up. But thankfully, thank God, I'm thankful that I know somebody that welds and welds good. So he got that fixed for me the same night. Shout out to my uncle. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the process as I'm talking about this. So yeah, man. It's been rather tough in the box truck industry for me. I can't speak for nobody else, but it's got its ups and downs just like anything else. I'm doing what I can. Y'all gonna see what I am doing also in the meantime. So man, everybody that's out there, man, y'all keep y'all head up. Hopefully it turns around soon. I know it's gonna turn around. I don't know who's gonna be able to last through the hard times, but I'm gonna pray for y'all. Y'all pray for me. Hey, till the next video, man. It's your boy Kay. I'm gone.